Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Falguni Thakkar in case if you are new here. So today's video is all about the college makeup look and I have tried to make it look as natural as possible. This is the final makeup look. It is a very minimal makeup just to enhance your already beautiful features. So without further ado, now let's get on to the video. Before starting with makeup, it's important to nourish and protect your skin. For that, you will need a moisturizer and also a sunscreen since you will be stepping out of your house. Now, I did a very big mistake during my college days by not applying sunscreen and hence I have a lot of spots on my face due to sun exposure. You don't do the same mistake. So the current sunscreen that I'm using is this one from Lotus. It's their Safe Sun Sunblock Cream. Also the Lakme sunscreen is good. I have used it as well. For moisturizers, you have a lot of options in the market. You can also use aloe vera gels if you do not want to use any chemical based moisturizer on your skin. So let's start with the makeup. I have already applied my moisturizer and sunscreen. So the next thing that I'm going to do is apply a BB cream or a CC cream. So for that, I have two options for you guys. One is the Pond's BB cream and the other one is the Lakme CC cream. Now you can also use a foundation, but using foundation on a regular basis will just spoil your skin. So stick to a CC cream or a BB cream or some lighter, tinted moisturizer or something. So today I'm going to be using the Lakme CC cream. The Pond's one is also very good. So once we have applied our BB or CC cream, it's important to set it with some powder in order to make it last all day long. So for that, I'm using a talcum powder. You can use any powder that you have, loose powder or even a compact powder. So I'm just taking some of it and with the help of my fingers, I'm placing it anywhere that I have oily skin, especially around my nose, around my mouth and chin, and on my forehead. Okay, so we have set the powder. I kept it for about a minute and now I'm going to just remove it. So again, I'm using my fingers. You can also use a brush for this. Now let's jump on to brows. Brows give a structure to your face and hence it's important to do them right. So for that, I'm using just a brown eyeshadow and an eyebrow brush. And I'm filling it in. I'm not doing anything great, just filling in the sparse areas that I have. So here I am done with my brows and now I'm just going to use a white eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. I'm using my finger for this and just putting a bit. So for the eyes, I'm not going to do anything special. I'm just going to apply some kajal and a lot of mascara. Now you can apply eyeliner or eyeshadow as you prefer, but I'm just sticking with the kajal and mascara. So I'm using this MAC kajal. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara and I use it in all my videos. For the lips, I'm sticking to a pink shade and the lipstick that I'm using is Ultra Shine Lipstick by Eleanor and it's in the shade Melon. Now I have another option for you which is a lip gloss and it's by Bella Voste. This is also one of their pretty shades and the shade is a pop of pink. I totally love this gloss, but today I'm going to use the Ultra Shine Lipstick. For the blush, I'm again using the same lipstick. I'm taking a bit of it on my finger, warming it up and applying it on my cheeks. So this is it for the final look. I hope you guys liked it and if you really liked it, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys super soon. Until then, take care. Bye.